Chapter 39. Expert Secret. Increase your hourly rate. The next step after knowing your hourly rate is to increase it. Earning more money is simple. Charge more. If you don't increase your hourly rate, you won't earn more money. But if you have higher hourly rates, clients will value your services more. Clients are humans and, as a result, they tend to reinforce their decisions. If they pay more money, they will focus much more on the value you bring to the table. The halo effect in behavioral psychology is defined as a tendency to generalize a positive first impression to unrelated areas. Charging more money may impress a client, causing them to look for those positive impressions in your work. Deliver quality code quickly. It's mostly a matter of focused effort on your part. Charging more money will increase your confidence. If clients pay you more money, they feel valued and motivated to keep learning and keep improving. With more money, you can also reinvest more money in your business to enhance your appearance and marketing. With more money, you can solve most business problems quickly. Action steps. By how much % will you increase your hourly rate every month? How much time will you spend each day reading books in your field to justify charging more money? Author's note, it's all about the value you bring to the marketplace. So you can either bring more value to the marketplace or be a more valuable person, which is like in the end results in more value to the marketplace. So you can either work longer hours or work smarter or do both to leverage the maximum effect to your value generative capabilities. End of author's note. Part 4. Systems. From $4,000 to $12,000. Expert secret. Use systems and templates. All thriving businesses use systems to create consistency, predictability, and scale. Without systems, you're the slave, and your business is the master. With system, you are the master, and your business system is your slave. Controlling your systems means that you can create a predictable stream of leads, customers, and cash flow. If you're the one business owner in your industry who masters systems, you'll crush your competition. As a freelance developer, you can create systems in many different areas. Here are some ideas where systems can help you do more with less. Write a template email response for similar client emails you receive from your clients. So if clients ask you for your credentials, prepare a killer email response once, copy it into a Google Docs file, and reuse it multiple times. Can you see the power of email templates? You only do the work once, but leverage your work again and again and again. Over time, you'll polish your email templates so that they become better and better. This way, you'll reduce the average time spent on each email, but you'll also increase the average quality of your responses. You'll work less and convert more leads to clients. Write a template to apply for new freelancing gigs. However, it's smart to modify the first sentence of the template to fit the individual freelancing gig. I know it sounds extremely simple, but working on your lead generation template is a highly effective and leveraged use of your time. Increasing the conversion rate of your gig application template from 10% to 20% instantly doubles your sales. I've written a blog article to help you write effective gig application templates, and I'll show you the blog article in the python-freelancer.com online resource. End of author's note. Create ads to sell your service. Creating and improving ads for your freelancing service is time well spent. Why? Because every ad is a mini system that sells your skills on the marketplace, even while you sleep. Create content such as YouTube videos or blog posts in your field. Each blog post and each video lives in the web decoupled from your time. Content systems exist independently in cyberspace, and they sell your services 24/7. A nice benefit of content systems is that they constantly position you as an educator rather than a marketer. Imagine you're a business owner and you want to hire a freelance developer to write an Android application. Who would you employ as a freelance developer? Alice, who writes blog articles about developing Android apps, or Bob, who does nothing of the sort? Create people systems. A people system can be an employee who helps you with your freelance developer business. Here are some examples. Your accountant, your lawyer, subcontractors, or affiliate marketer who sell your services for a 10% fee. Every person who helps you in any way is a stakeholder of your small freelancing business. The more stakeholders there are in your business, the more firepower it has. Create referral system as outlined before. Of course, there are many other soft and hard systems. As a rule of thumb, every action you perform on a repeat basis is a good starting point to create a mini system. Work as much on your freelance developer business as you work in it. Don't just write for your code for clients, spend the same amount of time improving your marketing systems. Action steps. Track your systems in a new document in the following form. So first you have a trigger, and then you have a result or a checklist of what to do on that trigger. So begin author's note. I always have a Google Docs document where I have like a headline on event, and now I specify the event, for example, on client email asking for more work. I have like a system, a checklist of things I do, and I just give the checklist immediately thereafter. So if an event occurs, I just go to the document, open the document, and follow the steps, follow the system I have created. And over time, using the client's response, if I see there are some possibilities to create more value, even smarter, I just modify my system. And the systems become better and better, and your business becomes much more robust in the process. End of author's note. So I have created a template example document, and you can find it at python-freelancer.com, the website, companion website for the book. Chapter 41, Expert Secret. Create a client list. Depending on what study you read, it's between 5 and 25 times more expensive to acquire a new client than to convince an existing or previous client to buy again. Every great business has high client retention rates. The first step towards having high client retention is to deliver more in value than you take in payment, the golden rule of business success. The second step is to maintain a client or customer list. Nurture your list. Send them regular emails with an email automation tool such as MailChimp. Send them valuable resources, tools, information products, or greetings. Be good to your customers and they'll be good to you. You should center your whole business around the simple idea of generating a list of leads, converting those leads into customers, and converting one-time customers into repeat customers. In each step, you move them further down the funnel. Action steps. Create a free account for email marketing software. Start building your list of clients. Chapter 42, Expert Secret. Create an ad funnel. Funnels are potent mechanisms to deliver value for clients and create a predictable flow of business. In the end, the company with an optimized value delivery funnel will beat the company that performs random acts of marketing. What's a funnel? A funnel is a powerful machine that transforms random people into leads, then into customers, and finally into repeat customers. Make no mistake, working on your funnel is one of the most effective things you can do for your business. It's one of those $10,000 per hour activities that can make or break your business. This tip is about advertising. If you read the Google annual reports, you'll see that the cost per clicks keep decreasing year over year. Begin author's note, this is highly counterintuitive because many people argue that the cost of clicks keep increasing over time. But I think logically it also makes sense that the cost of clicks decrease over time because the marketing messages due to AI become more and more relevant for people, for potential customers. So therefore, as they become more relevant, they want to click the advertisements with a higher likelihood. End of author's note. One reason is the progress made in artificial intelligence that helps delivering more relevant ads. Advertising tends to become more profitable as a result. Businesses that don't use advertisements to acquire leads miss out significantly. If you've got a high converting funnel, you can easily make back your advertisement costs. In many cases, you'll double, triple, even quadruple your ad spend. Use ads to create a predictable source of leads for your business. Action steps. Sketch your ad funnel. What's your dream client and what are the steps they take in your funnel? Create a Google, Facebook, LinkedIn ad account and start serving ads. Use a small daily amount, for example $5, and never stop paying this. This forces you to improve your ad copy over time if you don't want to throw $150 monthly ad spend out the window. Chapter 43, Expert Secret. 1 lead per day. If you've got a funnel, you know how important it is to move leads further down the funnel. It's the lifeblood of your business. How do you acquire new leads? Just contact people. Don't shy away from contacting people manually. Write emails to website owners and offer them a free strategy session. The next tip. In effect, you acquire new leads manually. You may ask, how can this pay off even though it's not scalable? The answer is simple. It doesn't have to be scalable. You just need to get some momentum. As soon as you've convinced a random person to become a lead, you can start to give them value and move them further down the funnel until they become customers. Happy customers will talk, and that'll help you get more customers. This cycle will repeat and strengthen over time. Action step. How can you find potential leads? What can you offer them to join your list of leads? How can you move them further down the funnel so that they ultimately become customers and repeat customers?